Hey everyone, Carol Hickman with Chickstamper here. Welcome to day 2 of our 24 days of Christmas this year for 2020. I'm so excited to share with you. I've got this really cute hand sanitizer little gift. It's a pocket back from Bed Bath & Beyond. And I just made a cute little box, little container for it. But gosh, what a fun, cute gift that would be for teachers and coworkers and things like that. Most of our projects for our 24 days of Christmas are cute little stocking stuffers or ways to gift something to hold them, bags and boxes and things like that for the holidays. So I hope that you'll be watching all 24, and remember, for all orders over $50 received in December that you'll receive the full PDF tutorial for free. So go ahead and watch the videos, take some notes, and I hope that you enjoy them. Let me know. So for this particular holder, we're going to take a piece of Pacific Point, 4 inches by 6 inches across. I'm going to put the 4-inch up at the top, and I'm going to score down at 1 inch and 3 inches. Then I'm going to turn it 90 degrees, and I want to score at 1 3/4 and 2 3/4. And that's it. Okay, let me get my paper snips and we'll trim this up a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna snip here and snip there, and the same thing on the other side. Although I'm going to trim my little tabs a little bit just to make them easier to fold in without any bulk. There we go. Okay, so let's get our bone folder here and get our lines nice and crisp. Okay, so you can see that we're going to fold this up and it's going to make our little box just like that. But let's put on our designer series paper. So I've got some Snowflake Splendor designer paper, and this first piece is 1 7/8 inch across and 2.5 inches down. So we'll put that on. We could use any side. This paper is gorgeous. So fun for the winter time. And I don't need to go all the way down because it's not going to all show. But you could make it a little longer if you wanted to. And then for this front piece, it's 1 7/8 inch across again, but 1 5/8 inches tall. Let's see, so this is the front. Just double checking. There we go. Okay, so now we can put some adhesive on these tabs. Because we're going to fold these in. Okay. And what I want to do is I want to put the little tabs inside and fold it up and try and make these nice and square. Then my box will stand nicely. Okay, so we're all looking good. We've got these edges to cut off. So I'm just going diagonally, just like that. There we go. And that just makes it easier for our hand sanitizer to sit right in there. Okay, so our ribbon, I've got 22 inches of this metallic mesh ribbon. Did you guys use this out of the holiday book this year? It's so fun. I think it's on the Halloween page, but there's so much you can do with it. And I wanted to bring out the silver because I think of snowflakes and silver. I don't know why. It just seems like they go together. So it's not just for Halloween, but it makes a fun big ribbon, big bow. And then you can play with it, and you can also ink this ribbon if you wanted a different color. So that's kind of a fun thing. But I just kind of wanted a big fun bow on this. And we'll use some glue dots to hook that on there. Right in the center. All right. And we've got our hand sanitizer right there. So now for the front. So I took my stitch nested label dies, and I used the 4th from the smallest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, they alternate. And this was the size that I used because that was the size that seemed to fit the best. And I wanted to use a sentiment from this bundle with the Snowflake Wishes stamp set. So that's what I did. So I have my stitch nested label, and my stamp says, "May your season sparkle." So since we're in this pandemic, I just thought that hand sanitizer would be an appropriate stocking stuffer, coworker gift, things like that. There we go. I'm using Pacific Point ink. And I'm going to put this on with some dimensionals. You could put it on flat as well. It's whatever you like. And I'm just kind of centering it. It does cover up most of that designer paper. So if you didn't have enough paper or you didn't want to put any on this bottom section, that would be okay too. And then I thought we could use a little bit more silver bling. So I've got my rhinestones here. And let's just put a couple here. Oh, and I forgot our snowflake. Then we got to do our snowflake. Okay, so in the holiday catalog this year, we have Balmy Blue glimmer paper. So I used one of the snowflake, So Many Snowflakes dies, and I just cut out this cute little snowflake here. So we'll put him on. Just to add a little fun, and then a big rhinestone right in the center there. There we go. What do you think? Pretty darn cute. Again, a simple, adorable little gift. Stocking stuffer. I know some families exchange stocking stuffers, and I think that's really cute because it's easier for everybody to participate, even teenagers and things like that. So this would be pretty fun. I hope you guys are enjoying day 2 of my 24 days of Christmas. I'll be back tomorrow with day 3. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.